If your Lincoln Aviator's Apple CarPlay is glitching or won't connect, we can get it back online in just a few steps. Statistics show that over 3/4 of CarPlay issues are caused by minor software hangups rather than hardware failure. Before you call the dealership, let's walk through the diagnostic checklist to find the exact culprit. The fastest fix is a soft reset of the sync head unit by holding the power and skip buttons together. Physical obstructions like pocket lint or a frayed cable are the most common reasons for a failed handshake. Make sure your iPhone settings actually allow CarPlay to run while the screen is locked. Depending on your Aviator's year, you might be dealing with physical port failure or wireless interference. Newer versions of the sync software are significantly more stable, so check for over-the-air updates. If a soft reset fails, performing a master reset in the settings menu is your best nuclear option. Keep a spare OEM cable and some canned air in your glove box to handle most future connection drops. Remember that half of the CarPlay equation is your phone, so keep your iOS version up to date. With your Aviator and iPhone back in sync, you're ready for the road. Drive safe and see you next time.